Hello, this is me, and today we're going to be talking about cheaper alternatives to the commonly and loved products. If you use a lot of makeup, you're going to be familiar with the Clinique Take the Day Off. It becomes so popular that they come up with different versions. This is the liquid form, and if you can see, it has two faces. It's called Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for Lids, Lashes and Lips. So what you do, you shake it and then you're gonna put the cotton pad and then apply it. This product, it's nice. However, because of the price, it kind of be questionable. Now the bigger size, it's 125 ml, which I would say it's around 8 ounces, and it costs $20. So yes, it could be a little bit spendy only for a makeup remover. So cheaper alternative which I have, it's the Wet n Wild, and it's called Makeup Remover for Eyes, Lips and Face. MISSHA cleansing water. So if you can see the similarities, and this one is 2.8 ounces, 85 ml, comes in the handy container with a little, the thing on the top when you put the pad, and then the product is dispensed. Now this one is $5. Yes, it's smaller than the full size, but if you're gonna have two of those two products will have more than this one. And on top of it, for $20, which you're gonna spend on this, you can buy 4 of those. And guess what? Because they're smaller, you can easily travel with them. And most of the time, Wet n Wild is on sale. So instead of paying $5, maybe you're gonna pay like $2.50. So yes, that's one of my cheaper Wet n Wild makeup remover. It's my cheaper alternative for the Clinique Take the Day Off. This is my second item. It's CLARINS Exfoliating Body Scrub for Smooth Skin, which sounds kind of fancy, and because it's CLARINS, you know it's gonna be gentle and soft and it's gonna do the job. Unfortunately, it's only 3.5 ounces, which is 100 ml, and this tube cost $40. So yes, unless you have money to spend, it's not so cheap. But the cheaper alternative which I have is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. There are many different ones. At least this one, it's with a blue cap. Previously I have one with pink, but there are many different ones, and I'm gonna try to insert pictures of them. However, this one costs $6 depending where you buy. So make it easier, this is $40, and let's round this to $10. But this one, it's 10 ounce or almost 300 milligrams. So like here's 100 grams, here's 300. So even though you're paying cheaper, you're getting 3 times more. And if you look at the consistency, it's the same. Come on, open up. Here we go. So yeah, so you're getting a little cream with small beads. And because the beads are so small, it's nice even for very dry and sensitive skin. And the little, cream, it make it go them smoother. But this one, it feels exactly like this, and it's few times cheaper. So for one of those, you can have 4 different one of that. So this is my second cheaper alternative. I'm sure you are familiar with the sheet masks. However, with those, you need to take them off after, make it 10 minutes. The next step up is the hydrogel mask, which you can easily keep on your face for make it around half hour. But because of the texture, it's a little bit slicky, slimy, and there are people who will not enjoy the way how it feels and looks. This is my Super Aqua, the Snail mask, hydrogel mask from MISSHA, which comes in 2 pieces. Most of the time, hydrogel mask comes in 2 pieces where you have the top part and bottom part. And it's a gel mask, so it's like a jelly infused treatment. As you can see, it comes in 2 parts, so you have top and bottom, and then the actual mask is infused in many different essences. However, because of the texture of it, not everyone's gonna enjoy it. So for example, instead of you spending like $10 on a mask, you know what, go to any drugstore, I should say Target, Walmart, wherever you can buy regular products, and try the Neutrogena. Why? Because this is also a hydrogel mask which comes in 2 pieces. The difference is this is 10 and this could be like 3 or 4, so it's almost half of a price. Yeah, it's less than a half, and it comes in different varieties. Like this is the hyaluronic acid, and this one is with sea alks. Now there are two other ones which I didn't get chance to try it, but if you did, just let me know. But yes, I went through many of those, and I do like it. Now it's not exactly the same, I would say, as the result, because this is the Snail slime, this is hyaluronic acid. But if you're curious about the actual hydrogel mask or how does it feel, you know what, you cannot go wrong with My last item is the Moisture Surge from Clinique. It comes in a pink bottle with a little bit of, I don't know, small bubbles. It's a hydrating product, and it's a gel which you're gonna apply to your face. You can use it on itself or before you apply your moisturizer. It's perfect for any skin type, or even when it's really humid and you need some extra hydration. But that item, it's $40. So yes, it is a little bit of spendy. The cheaper alternative is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is my empty one, and the full one looks like this. So it has suspended vitamin E. Now, besides the price, it's half of it. Like the Moisture Surge, it's 40. This is 20. So right there, it's a benefit. And yes, it is a really nice serum, which I do enjoy it, and I don't mind repurchasing again. After I finish the Moisture Surge, I like it so much that I want to repurchase, but I hold on myself because of the price. And then one of the dermatologists was talking about this one, and I decided to give it a try. And guess what? I got my empty and I have my full size, and that means also, if you want to try the Moisture Surge, but you don't know if you're going to like the texture or the price, you know what, try this one, and then you can make it. Okay, those are my cheaper alternatives, and I see you next video. Bye!